Hey guys, it is Saturday here in West Virginia, and we are a day behind on our Free It Friday video. Had a bunch of stuff going on yesterday, so I didn't have time to unbox this beautiful Magic Purple Mini GT Liberty Walk GTR for you guys. And I was going to do it outside, but it's still a little early here, and we still have a lot of fog here. So there's no sun, so it's not going to do any good if I did do this outside versus doing it inside. So what I'll do, maybe later today when it's nice and sunny, I'll take it outside, take a nice pic, and post it on my post on YouTube so you can see how this paint reacts in the sun, because it is pretty cool. All it's going to do right now is going to kind of look like dark blue here in the room with just this artificial lighting and such. So anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at the box as usual. So this is number 39, collector number from Mini GT. It is your LB Works Nissan GTR Magic Purple. Has Liberty Walk written here with some Japanese characters, and LB Liberty Walk. Bottom side has your warning because of choking hazards, recommended for ages 14 and older. It is a collector's model. This end cap has Mini GT with their affiliate company, TSM Model, or I should say Mini GT is an affiliate company of TSM Model. That's kind of the main company, TSM. Then this end cap just kind of has the rising sun in purple wrapping around on it. Then on the back side, you have your official Mini GT licensing holographic sticker, Nissan licensing, where to find Mini GT online on Facebook and on Twitter. This is before they had their IG account. And then your UPC, which tells you more details about the model. It is LB Works Nissan GTR R35 Type 1, meaning the kit, and rear wing version 2, which is your ducktail. Magic Purple, and it is a Japan exclusive. So let's go ahead and get this guy out of the box. And on the top side, it has collector number 39. So let's go ahead and get him out and take a look at him. So this is a very cool looking car, and it comes in the PVC plastic tray as usual. And let's get him out of here. And as you can see, it is a right-hand drive car, and it is only offered in right-hand drive. And as I said, in this lighting, it just looks like dark navy blue metallic, which is still pretty cool. Then it has your co-sponsor type of stickers running down in a horizontal pattern on the back window. You see the ducktail wing and such. And then the wide body, it has the Forgiato style wheels. The mirrors are rubber, but they are very stiff. So they are very, very fragile. So you need to be careful. The side of this one has absolutely nothing on it, not even the trademark. Imagine all the people living life in peace. Phrase across the door. Nothing on the rear flare as they usually have. So this is a very plain car, which is great with this magic paint. I think they did right by not putting all those decals all over it. Has the LB Performance banner sticker across the windshield, acrylic headlight lenses, and then your Liberty Walk intercooler. Nice detail on the grill, the front bumper cover, front spoilers. Then this side also, nothing on it. The rear, very nicely detailed with acrylic red tail lights, Liberty Walk plate, and then your GTR emblem there. Bottom side is nicely detailed, metal base with button head Phillips screws in case you do want to pop it apart and swap the wheels. So it is very easy to customize these and such. I'm trying to get it at an angle where it's going to flip-flop for you guys, but it's just not really going to do it. So I will post that pic later of it in the sun. That way you can see it at its full potential with changing color, because it does go to somewhat like a sea green sometimes, and then purple, and then this navy blue look. As you can see, maybe on the top of the door, it's kind of wanting to have that green hue to it just slightly, but not very much. So we'll get that pic posted for you guys later. I'll get a good one where it's changing quite a bit, where you can see two different colors on it. So guys, that's it for today. I appreciate you watching. I'm going to come back tomorrow and do an unboxing on a Super Treasure Hunt, an older one. One that I decided to keep. It's my first Super for my collection, or my new updated collection, I should say. So usually I don't collect many Supers, but this one I did decide to keep. So we'll do an unboxing video on it tomorrow. So thanks for watching, guys, and enjoy your weekend.